Hi, so I'm in my kitchen today and I'm going to tell you a little story about how Mumsy can never have nice things. It was first the children and now it's this little girl. She's kind of a jerk sometimes and makes it so that I can't have nice things. So I'm going to tell you all about it after the break. Join me, won't you? Okay, so I've gotten rid of my kitty. Her name is Matilda. We call her Tildy, and she is very sweet most of the time. But sometimes cats can be a little jerks. Anyway, remember how if you're a mom, you would know that when you have children, you sometimes don't have the nicest things. You don't have the nicest clothes because babies will spit up on them. You don't wear pretty earrings because babies will pull at them. We had a quilt on our bed that I had handmade, and little toddler hands grabbing at it and trying to pull themselves up on the bed had ripped it quite a bit. I fixed that, but you don't have a nice couch because the kids are jumping on it and all this kind of stuff. Well, now my kids are a bit older and I can start to have nice stuff again, or at least that's what I thought. Then we got a cat, and this cat, let me tell you, she loves to scratch things up. So I can't have nice things again. So I'm going to show you in a minute. I'm going to go over and show you some damage she's done and what I've done to fix it. So I kind of have nice things. You can fix almost anything with crochet. That's what I'm going to say. So, or sewing or whatever. So let's go check it out. All right, so I'm in my messy kitchen. As you saw from the first segment, you can see Nosferatu's over here. Anyway, that's not what I was going to show you. This is what I'm going to show you. See this lovely kitchen chair we have here? And look at what this cat has done. I don't know if it's because it's vinyl or what, but the cat thinks this is her scratching post, and it is gross, and we are kind of embarrassed because we pull this chair out when we have guests because this is our extra chair. And see, there she is down there looking suspicious. Anyway, she's trouble, and so I needed to fix this mess. I'll show you how I did it next. Are you ready for the big reveal? Check this out. Mumsy might be able to have nice stuff after all. Ta-da! Can you see that purple? Isn't it beautiful? I crocheted this myself. It's just a chair cover, but it is made with popcorn stitching. Let me roll this over here so you can kind of see it better. I don't know if you can. I'm trying to get the right light and angle. Anyway, I made this with just a regular popcorn stitching. I will link how to make a popcorn stitch in the description below if you'd like. And I just chained across enough to do that. And then, let me see if I can show you the back. The back is just a navy blue in double crochet that I did. And then I sewed the sides together. And voila! My chair! My beautiful chair is back! And lucky for me, the cat does not like to scratch this yarn. So it's protected a little bit. So, I mean, we don't want to pull this up, but if we ever had to wash this or anything, it's easily machine washed. And then we have I have no idea what I'm talking about half the time around here. Anyway, we have a beautiful cover on this chair. Now, it's funny because see this chair I have right here doesn't have a scratch on it. I don't know if it was the positioning of that chair and maybe the cat just liked it better, but she hasn't scratched that one up. So fingers crossed she doesn't, but if she does, at least I know how to make a little bit of a cover to fix it. So, like this video if you like cats or if you think cats are jerks. So I guess just like this video. And then subscribe. Comment below, does your pet kind of destroy things? Can you have nice things? Maybe you have a kid that wrecks some stuff. I think this might be a continuing series of why Mumsy can't have nice things and what I've done to fix all the things that I do have. Because, you know, I'm not paying money to buy another chair just because the cat scratched it up. Because you know what? She could scratch that new one up and then I'm back where I started. So anyway, click the little bell and bye-bye for now.